So here it is, Cobus method, as you can see, from Railroad Media. Unboxing. Alright, let's see if I can do this with one hand. With a butter knife. Important! Read this booklet before you begin the Cobus method. Official startup guide. Very cool. Nice. 15 DVDs and 5 CDs. This must be the poster. Very cool. I don't know what he's doing, but it's pretty sweet looking. Alright, so we got the poster, and we got the excellent peanuts. Mango. Beautiful. Let's see, where did he sign it? Look at that. Cobus. Mr. P himself. Even drew a little drum on there. That's freaking awesome. So we have DVDs. DVDs 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, and the CDs with all the music and audio tracks. Frickin' sweet. And each one is individually wrapped in cellophane. That is friggin' awesome. I'm psyched to get started.